Like, oh my god, like, I swear.
Homicide, backwoods, so it's all good. Let me see you make it taste good. Shout it classy with a freaky side. Real woman, keep boss up. Down bad, I can call her. Oh yeah, sex so good, might get a Birkin. She deserve it.
Hey babes, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I am back at it again with another freaking video. And in today's video is going to be a wig installment of this wig. I'm showing you how I refresh an old wig and how I make it new, and I show you guys how I got these beautiful wand big fluffy curls and this my new, it's kind of like my new makeup look, brain fart, no makeup look, and I have been loving it. So yeah, I hope you guys love today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms at QueenCierra_slay. And don't forget to follow my business page at Queen Cierra Boutique. And don't forget to shop my website www.queencierraboutique.com to get you some bomb lashes, lip gloss, body care, and accessories for the low. I'm still having my 40% off sale, so if you want to shop, I got sunglasses, gloss left, I have lashes left, I have handbags left. And so if you want to go shop and support the queen. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you queens in the next video. Bye. Now I'm going to be using Tresemme Rich and Moisture shampoo to rinse and wash my wig. I'm going to be first attacking that lace, just trying to get out all the edge control and build up product out of there. And then I'm going to use that, just a little bit of shampoo to wash the rest of the hair. Since this wig is a little old, I picked a very moisturizing shampoo, even though it does need to get washed, so I just picked a moisturizing shampoo so it won't be as abrasive as any other regular shampoo. And then I used a matching conditioner, and I deep conditioned my hair, and I let it sit like about 4+ hours. Don't quite remember the time, but I let it sit, and then after I let it sit, I just washed it out.
Talking like you know me, just because I'm trying to get that working. Looking at your face, I know it's hurting, but you don't pay my bills. Please don't ever try and get too cozy. Please don't try and act like I don't notice. Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low-key, cause I've got to pay my bills. I work, see me happy, work, see me doing dirt. Taught me better work. When you I gotta learn. I'm in the cafe, my they like the way you do it.
Now, after letting my hair air dry over the tub, it's completely dry. I let it dry overnight, and I just hung it on top of the shower rod in my bathroom, and I just let it air dry, and she's completely dry. Now I am looking at the lace and pulling it back and seeing what we working with. If I have to cut it, if it needs to get plugs, what I need to do to make this thing melt into my skin. So I'm going back to, the tried and true got to be glue. We haven't not used this in a minute, but I ran out of my spray, so that's why this is the only thing I had left, and I needed to glue it on my wig and go. So I'm just applying 2 layers of that glue in between, fanning it until it becomes mainly white and tacky, and then I pull it down, boom, like that, over my hairline. I don't like to glue things on my hairline. If you have a smaller forehead, you have to glue your wig on your hairline, but if you have a bigger forehead and you have a lot of canvas like me, you can pull it over your hairline and you won't rip your edges out. That's a little tip for you guys with big foreheads. So now I'm just brushing my edges forward, and we're gonna do our edges later, but I'm just brushing them forward, melting in that lace with the glue in my scalp. And I'm gonna take my edge wrap, and do not mind it, it is a little dirty, but it is what it is. I'm just tying down my lace so everything can melt and marinate. And now I'm gonna go in with my wand curler. I love this thing. I just love the inch of this barrel. I really need to find out what inch. I think it is a 1/2 inch. Do not quote me. But I'm doing nice, big, messy, but uniform, beautiful, fluffy wand curls, and it's giving. It's giving. So I did use a heat protectant serum. Because you know this hair is a little older, and I'm just curling my hair. I did use these hairpins so the curl can cool down in the little clip, but towards the end I stopped doing that. I didn't run out of clips or nothing. I just got lazy and I just started holding it and releasing it. So but if you have somewhere to go and you want your hair to last, your curls to last all night, just once you release your curl from the curling iron, clip it up so it can hold its shape, and then when you're done with your hold head, spray it, let all your curls cool down, and then release it, and then brush them out, and it will stay. But my curls did stay for at least 2-3 days now. Yeah, I still have the curls in my hair. It's more of like a body wave now, like a nice tight body wave.
It's pretty early. It's okay, we'll take our time. The night is still young. The night is still young. The night is still young, yeah. So the night is still young. The night is still young. The night is still young. So we're just getting started, yeah, yeah. We're just getting started, yeah, yeah. Can't you see the night still young? We gon' get wild and crazy. We're just getting started, yeah, yeah. We're just getting started, yeah, yeah. Can't you see the night still young? We gon' get wild and crazy. The night is still young. The night is still young. Still young. The night is still young, yeah. So the night is still young. The night is still young. The night is still young. So how dare we sit quietly and watch the world pass us by? How dare we sit quietly and watch the world pass us by? He said he wanna get to know me. Never had a Cali girl, I told him let me show ya. Better have your body before it's over, hope you holding. Yeah, tonight we playing poker. Yeah. He was tall with a slight tan, jeans stuffed with a couple band scars on his knuckles and tattoos of his homeland. He spoke with an accent so slow and southern, no lie, I've been envisioning positions on his nightstand. Kitty is sticky, got bitches better than Nikki B. In this fly ass, it's easy, making this bread like I'm Jeezy. My skinny's tighter than Weezy's, groupies in line like I'm breezy. So only my TMZ, me pussy paradise. Fiji, paparazzi like Maryland. 30 day and no panties and some Joe to say. I got that fiendin' on repeat, he know it's on when he see me, he He pushed the block in the 6 and I made him the industry. You're looking at me, but it's you. This ain't high school. Me and my crew, we can slide through. Give it to you whenever you want. Whip it whenever you want. Baby, it's yours. Baby, it's your world, ain't it? Baby, it's your world. Stop playing, you know you wonder about it. Close your eyes and felt yourself, now picture me around you. Boy, you know you fucking with me and say that you like the way. Sitting right in them jeans, I saw the look in his eye and I told him to follow me. He was cool with arrogance, cool as the president. Them feds come knocking, he don't know nada, just like an immigrant. He know he can get it and he stay with a couple bitches. All that gossip I'm hearing said he looking no wife a misfit. You be Martin, I be Gina, cause tonight I'm off this lane, bruh. We grown enough to get it poppin'. Shawty, take it there. Got me feeling 18 again. More than a crush, this shit right here is different. I feel a way when I see him, a tingling in between me. He on me tough when he pull up, sit on his face and I pull out. Looking at me, but it's you. This ain't high school. Me and my crew, we can slide through. Give it to you whenever you want. Whip it whenever you want. Baby, it's yours. Baby, it's your world, ain't it?
Now I'm going in with my no makeup type of look where I'm going outside, and I don't want to wear too much makeup, but I want to wear a little bit. So now I'm taking my amazing perfect 25mm mink lashes from Queen Cierra boutique that currently 40% off, so get it while supplies last because my customers go crazy over my lashes. Now I'm taking Dual's lash glue and I'm applying that to my lash line, and I also be applying that to the actual lash strip, the lash band. Girl, when you put it on your actual eye like eyeliner and then the actual strip lashes, your lashes stay on all day. You get no lifting, no nothing. So if you have a problem with lifting, apply to your actual eye and the actual lash strip, and baby, they're gonna last. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for years. They're gonna last all day. No lifting, no inner corner, outer corner, nothing's gonna be lifting, I promise you. Okay, make sure it gets nice white, not nice and clear and tacky, not white. Nice and clear and tacky. You know it's completely dry when it's clear.
When you walk, I learn in the cafe, my they like the way you do it. Everybody knows I keep it moving. They like the way you do it, cause I don't ever sleep until the morning. To wanna end up losing, my eyes on the bottom, now I'm shooting. They like the way you do it, oh do it. Say me happy, say me do it, I've got to pay my bills. Work. See me happy, work. See me doing dirt.
So I did kind of messed up, not like a real mess up, but I should have done the ball cap method because I just had my braids in and I just totally forgot until I put my wig on and I started installing it and stuff. I totally forgot to put foundation on my wig cap, and on top of that, I didn't. Yeah, you can tell like my wig cap is sliding back. I should have like glued it or sprayed it down or something, or I just did no cap at all, because my wig cap was literally sliding back. Like from the beginning of this video to the end, like it slid back at least a couple of inches. So learn from my mistake and either do no wig cap at all or glue down your wig cap and put some makeup on your wig cap and on your lace, because I forgot and we just washed it all off when we just washed the wig. So I totally forgot. So learn from my mistake and tint your lace or spray your ball cap. But besides that, this install was flawless, and I did end up putting powder on my part, but it was a little red. Like my complexion overall has changed so much that I have to get new makeup, because now my undertones and my makeup is red instead of yellow. So I need to get some new makeup. But besides that, this is perfect. So now I'm just swooping my edges currently with the Got To Be glue that we used earlier to lay down this wig.
Looking at your face, I know it's hurting, but you don't pay my bills. Please don't ever try and get too cozy. Please don't try and act like I don't notice. Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low key, 'cause I've got to pay my bills. I work, 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 work. See me happy, work, 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 work. See me doing dirt, 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 dirt. Stop me better, work, 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 work.
Said he wanna get to know me. Never had a Cali girl, I told him let me show ya. Better have your body before it's over, hope you holding. Yeah, tonight we playing poker. Yeah. He was tall with a slight tension, stuffed with a couple band scars on his knuckles and tattoos of his homeland. He spoke with an accent so slow and southern, no lie, I've been envisioning positions on his nightstand. Kitty is sticky, got bitches better than Nikki B. And this fly ass, it's easy, making this spread like I'm Jeezy. My skinny's tighter than Weezy, Scoopies in line like I'm breezy. So only my TMZ, me pussy paradise. Fiji, paparazzi like Maryland. 30 day and no panties and some Joe to say. I got that feeling on repeat, he know it's on when he see me. He pushed the block in the 6 and I made him the industry. Yeah, looking at me, but it's you. This ain't high school. Me and my crew, we can slide through. Give it to you whenever you want. Whip it whenever you want. Baby, it's yours. Baby, it's your world, ain't it? Baby, it's your world. Stop playing, you know you wonder about it. Close your eyes and felt yourself, now picture me around you. Boy, you know you fucking with me and say that you like the way. Sitting right in them jeans, I saw the look in his eye and I told him to follow me. He was cool with arrogance, cool as the president. Them feds come knocking, he don't know nada, just like an immigrant. He know he can get it and he stay with a couple bitches. All that gossip I'm hearing said he looking no wife a misfit. You be Martin, I be Gina, 'cause tonight I'm off this lane, bruh. We grown enough to get it poppin'. Shawty, take it there. Got me feeling 18 again. More than a crush, this shit right here is different. I feel a way when I see him, a tingling in between me. He on me tough when he pull up, sit on his face and I pull up. Looking at me, but it's you. This ain't high school. Me and my crew, we can slide through. Give it to you whenever you want. Whip it whenever you want. Baby, it's yours. Baby, it's your world, ain't it? Baby, it's your world, ain't it? Anywhere you wanna go. Oh no.
I know you want it, I can see you trying. Just keep on pushing, I'ma let you slide in. Just close your eyes and explore me, baby. I'm ready, come and get you some, get you some.
Like, oh my god, like, I swear. Yo, I just look so pretty. Like, oh my god. Oh my. Okay, so now I'm just lining my lips with the Wet n Wild's brown lip liner. And then I'm going to be using a little bit of Anastasia's Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Stripped. In the middle, I'm just going to dab that in, and then I'm going to use my Cierra Boutique's Naked Nude Lip Gloss collection. I'm using the color Cocoa, and the new lip gloss will be in a lip gloss tube instead of a squeeze tube. So yeah, I'm just using that gloss on top to just blend everything in, and yeah, that's it for the lips.
Everything needs to be right. I just wanna close my eyes and dance to the music, no need to get high. Life is a journey, I just wanna enjoy the ride. What is the hurry? It's pretty early, it's okay, we'll take our time. The night is still young.
Okay, baby, so now all I'm doing is adding some foam to my hair to flatten out any flyaways, and then I take my comb and my wand curl it, and I do like that pushback look at the roots. I love that look, and then you bring the curls forward. I don't know what it's called, but you know what I mean when you see it. And yeah, that's it. I'm just spraying some more hairspray, and that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it so much. I love you, Queens to the Moon and back. And follow me on all my social media platforms at QueenCierra_Slay. And don't forget to follow my business page at Queen Cierra Boutique. And don't forget to shop QueenCierraBoutique.com for my 40% off fall sale before it's over. And I will see you babes in the next video. Mwah!